folders full of documents. Skip the hassle of uploading them one by one. With RecordsKeeper.AI, you can bulk upload your files using zip folders and let smart AI do the organizing for you. First, log into app.recordskeeper.ai. Go to Sources and Sync from the left menu. Select Zip File from Local Storage and click Next. Name your upload something memorable like HR Docs 2024 or Tax Records Q1. Then upload your zip file. Once it's in, RecordsKeeper.ai shows all the documents inside. You can pick specific files or select folder. The AI takes over, sorting, tagging, and making your files searchable in seconds. Check your upload and overview or search in filters. Just like that, your documents are clean, categorized, and ready to find in a flash. No more digital mess. Just thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.